The question is, it is a matter of chance whether a couple will give birth to a boy or a girl. Justify the statement and support your answer with a neat illustration. Or, sex of a newborn is a matter of chance and none of the parent may be considered responsible for it. Justify the statement with the help of a flowchart showing determination of sex of the newborn. So when we talk about the sex of a newborn, it is being decided at the time of fertilization and it is a matter of chance, so we should not hold any of the parent responsible for the sex of their child. So here we have determination of sex in the case of humans. The first step is gamete formation. We know that the male gamete is called as sperm and the female gamete is called as egg. Here in the males, so out of all the gametes or out of all the sperm cells which are produced, half are going to carry the X chromosome and other half would be carrying the Y chromosome. Whereas in the case of females producing egg cells, all the egg cells are going to carry out only X chromosome. The next step is fertilization, that is the fusion of sperm cell with the egg cell in order to produce zygote, and this is the time when the sex of the embryo is going to be decided. So if the sperm carrying Y chromosome is fertilizing the egg, it is going to result in a male, and if a sperm carrying X chromosome is fertilizing the egg, it is going to result in a girl. So here we have about the sex determination, that is, if a sperm carrying X chromosome fertilizes egg, resulting embryo is going to be a female because one X from the female and another X from the male. And the XY, that is, if a sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilizes the egg, the resulting embryo would be male because from the ovum we are getting X and from the sperm we are getting Y. Here we also have a diagrammatic representation. So this is a male having XY chromosome and this is female having XX chromosome. Here we can also see the gamete. So this X and X are going to be the female gamete and this X and Y is going to be the male gamete. Here using Punnett square all the possible combinations are made. So this XY and XY is going to be male and this XX and XX is going to be female. So we can conclude that sex of the child is determined by the random combination of sex chromosomes during fertilization and neither parent has any control over the type of the sex chromosome that their sperm or egg is going to contribute. Therefore, the sex of the newborn is a matter of chance and neither parent can be considered responsible for it.